Since I can remember, I always wanted to be the wild, energetic kid that could just bang and crash away on a drum set and somehow still manage to sound good. Fortunately, the reality was, as soon as I got on a drum set and started banging away, it sounded like absolute chaos. It was just racket that would hurt people's ears, including even my own. And it was always frustrating to me knowing how in the world am I going to take these two hands and be able to somehow coordinate them together along with my foot and make sounds that actually work with music. When I was 12 years old, I learned how to play the guitar from my mom. So learning music rhythm was never a problem. It was coordination that I lacked. When I saw a drum set, before I even got on the drum set, I would get a little bit overwhelmed and nervous about sounding terrible before I even hit a single drum. A few years ago, though, however, I got the opportunity and the experience to be able to learn from an experienced drummer how to whack and play the drums and make it all come together and sound a little bit better. I was painting a youth room. I got commissioned, so to speak, to paint these giant murals all over our youth room at our local church. And one of the benefits of this opportunity was being able to meet with a guy that knew how to play drums and actually would teach me how to play simple basic beats, which later transpired into buying a drum set, being able to whack away and be able to make things crazy and use all that energy I had as a kid, but now making it come together and sound more convenient. So it became a hobby and a passion of mine later in life, and it's fun to see now that my son, I'm able to take the bits of little information that I have and see him just go crazy with his energy, be able to do the same things that I wanted to do as a kid. And it's all him. I'm not that parent that's like, okay, you're gonna do this. But I wanted him to be able to use all the energy he had, because he's just like me. He has so much energy. I wanted him to be able to go crazy on a drum set and be able to enjoy it. And I just thought it was really neat that this passion and this hobby of mine I see now in my own child. It's really quite amazing. I can kind of see from my view what it's like, but I can also see from an outsider's view how it affects him. And anybody that's ever curious or interested in drums, I encourage you to just start at it. I mean, whether you know anything or not, just get on and have fun. That's the most important thing. But this is my hobby, this is what I like to do. And I encourage anybody to join and in on the fun. Any instruments. It's fun to just get together and have some rock